Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to see the next price targets. Not a good start for Bitcoin in this week. Yesterday we had a nice correction going on, but right now we are going to see what are we going to do next. Is that it for Bitcoin? Are we going to go further down, or do we have chances maybe to have a buying pressure? Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Get easy profits and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. And right here you can see that we are having a very nice Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top in the logarithmic scale, and you can see that we found exactly buying pressure at the 236 Fibonacci retracement level, this 23.1 23.2k, and right now we want to see whether we close below this or we go all the way up higher. Let's find out. For now it looks like we are forming a nice institutional gap. What is the institutional gap? It consists of a buying pressure. When you are in a downtrend, you start the day with a buying pressure, and then you have this upper shadow having a huge bearish candlestick. You have a huge sell pressure going all the way down right here. So I will go first with the fact that most probably we will form another bearish day today, and secondly, what we need to do is to hold this line right here. You do not know how important it is to hold this line. If we do not hold this line, then Bitcoin can manage to go down all the way to the 22k. Yeah, that's right. We can all go down all the way down to the 22k, maybe even lower. Let's find some important support levels, and then we go to the lower time frames to see really for the next few hours where are we going. So 21.9k right here and the 21k seem to be very huge support levels for Bitcoin, and they seem to be somewhat like, I think we have a buying pressure around the 21.9, maybe the 21k. Apart from that though, Bitcoin is not bullish. Now what if we hold the 23.1k? Let's assume that we hold it and we go all the way up from here. Then this will be very good. This means that we go all the way upwards into the next price target, the 24k, and so on. However, right now for BTC, I think that the most probable scenario is to go down and not to hold it, except if we have a double bottom here. I'm not saying that in the next few hours Bitcoin will be bullish. I'm saying that it has more room to correct, and I'm saying that Bitcoin has here more room to correct even below the 23k. Now, if I want to find some support levels for the really short term, I would remove this Fibonacci retracement and I would go from this bottom right here up to this top. You can see that we have some different levels because we are in another Fibonacci retracement line. We can use the non-logarithmic scale or the logarithmic scale. I will use for that one the non-logarithmic one, and you can see that we found huge sell pressure at 23.4k. This is bearish, and right now I'm expecting Bitcoin to ride again the 23.1k, the 200-day moving average right here. Then after we are going further down towards the 23k, and there maybe we have a small buying pressure. Okay, at the 23k around there, 22.9k, maybe we have a small buying pressure coming in. But realistically speaking, if we close below this line right here, the 23.21 to 23.2k, then we are going all the way down, and it looks like today we formed an institutional gap where institutions push the price up to get into the better price for short positions. Okay, so this is what I'm assuming that we are having right now. If you can see the 1 hour frame as well, look at that. We are just getting rejected from the 20-day MA, and of course the stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation. Whenever this happens, we usually have a more correction coming into the market, especially when we are in a downtrend. Okay, when we are in a downtrend, in a clear downtrend, we get rejected from the 20-day MA. Stochastic RSI comes first into an overbought, and then we go further down. Now, the case for the 4 hour frame is the same. This was not a bullish candlestick to hold on, and I think that in the next few hours we are going to go further down. In the 4 hour frame, we could achieve even the 23.150 again, Okay, in this 4-hour frame right here, or we could form a double bottom having a little bit of a buying pressure. We will see about that. Anyway, we have a huge support level at around 23.1 to 23.2k. Now, what is next into the next weeks for Bitcoin? Has something changed? No. So Bitcoin and the next few weeks are still bearish. Unfortunately, the case right here is this one. And look at when you do not use the logarithmic scale, look at how worse the chart looks like, right? It looks like we have done something incredible right here, an incredible correction. But if you go to the logarithmic scale and you have it open, then you can see that the correction does not seem like something huge, right? Look at the logarithmic scale right here. It shows the price action better, and it shows that that's why we found rejection at the 0.236 in the weekly frame, because we didn't close above the 24.3 to 24.4k, and BlackRock would not invest if we didn't close above this line. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.